up and down. Bro, that mamma jamma weld pretty good, actually.
It's a little too high.
No, that's Robbie's, I think, actually. It's shattered.
What the fuck?
Don't.
I tried to tell you how to rebuild it.
Oh, that's not cool. Arc was too.
You want to melt some shit.
I knew it to remake.
Probably sit here and.
That's not good. You know that's not good.
How much welding at one time are you
Can you
gonna
really
do before you? She said she was buying a new car. Selling her Malibu.
Back with JDE Media, 25K, and got the Backyard Bandit here. Fixing up his pipe for his Cobalt SS.
Very shittily.
I love that.
Pull that other clamp off, and maybe you might have to fold that heat shield up a little. Yeah.
Yeah, I already see that.
Dad, I took your money.
From where?
You can throw it back on the ground.
Bro, what the fuck? Go put it in my car.
They go,
All of it.
can I have a cop car?
Little fuckers. That's my pool money.
Hey, put all that money back.
I did. This is kick. This is
No, shouldn't have to.
We're probably not going to be able to
That
run.
might have to come off.
Yeah, it's already off.
What you giving me this shit for?
Well, I'm not. I'm just setting it under there. But
Whoa, whoa,
guess we're stopping there.
Don't stare at it, buddy. You should go buy it. That's why you gotta go home.
I tried to tell you how to rebuild it.
Fuck it.
Why? Where are you going? When?
I don't know. Carl just said he wants to go riding again. don't know if I should rip that plastic out for now.
Hey, you don't fly.
No, but you want to pull that other clamp off, and maybe you might have to fold that
Heat shield?
up a little. Yeah.
Yeah, I already seen that.
Blade's a little tore up.
I just gotta cut that fucking metal zip tie off. Oh, that's a little tore up. Some better days, my dear.
That's the way he cracks it. Yeah.
Cool.
Not really, but yep.
We got power. Hopefully no leaking gas lines. This video is not for the kid audience.